Hey guys, I'm Aylin.
And I'm Evie.
Welcome back.
And today we'll be making some very simple fluffy slime. Here are some of the ingredients that you will be needing to make the slime.
Some Elmer's glue. It doesn't have to be Elmer's, just any kind of glue.
A container, any kind of container. You're gonna have to put some toothpaste. You also have to put a tiny bit of water, only up to 1 cup of water.
You're gonna be needing another small container like this. And so we're gonna have some water, preferably hot water, and we're gonna put in borax, and you have to wait till the borax dissolves, and then you could put it in your container, and this will be as our activator.
You will also be needing a bowl, so you should probably mix it with a spoon.
And also, we are gonna be using food coloring, but it's optional.
We're gonna start with the glue. You only need about a cup of glue.
And so in this, we put the toothpaste in the water about up to here. It's just like shaving cream.
You can use shaving cream too. You only need about a tiny bit. Okay. This is also known as your activator. We can use that too. We decided to do green
and blue
together because
make it teal.
That's the mint color and the toothpaste is mint. So you just have to play with it. It'll become better as you play with it for a while. This is a really fun one. Remember to like and subscribe.
See you guys next time.